guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to be testing out the Revlon one-step hair dryer, volumizer, whatever you're supposed to call this. Basically, it is a round brush that blow dries your hair, and I have heard so many people raving about this recently, so I figured I might as well just go ahead and test it out for myself. So one of the biggest reasons that I was curious about this is because I actually have naturally pretty curly hair. Now I don't have like crazy super tight ringlets or anything, but it's definitely more on the curly side. It's more curly than wavy, and I get a ton of frizz, which has always been one of my biggest insecurities. And I have heard so many people say that this blow dries your hair so fast, also smooths it out, makes it look like you just got a blowout. Like, there are just so many amazing things that people have been claiming for it to do. So I haven't even taken it out of the package yet because I really want this to be like a true, genuine first impression. I didn't want to have any opinions going into it, but before I get started, I am just going to go in with the Color Proof Radically Smooth Anti-Frizz Serum. So I actually just bought this the other day when I got my hair cut because Shelby, the girl that does my hair, has used it the last couple times, and I really think that it helps just smooth out my hair. And then I always use a wide tooth comb whenever my hair is wet, just because it doesn't cause as much breakage as a hairbrush does. So let's go ahead and open this up now. Also, I know that a ton of people have been raving about it, but I haven't really watched too many videos or tutorials on how to use this because I wanted to have just like a clean slate going into it. So I know that people love it, but I haven't really seen it in action too much so far. So I was reading over the instructions just like to make sure that there aren't any major things that I need to know, and it's pretty simple. It's basically telling you to do the same motions that you would do if you had a round brush in an actual hair dryer. Also, for the record, this retail price is about $60. The hair dryer that I use is the dry bar one, which is about $200. So if I like the results that I get from this more than I like using the $200 hair dryer, I definitely think that's gonna say a lot. And even still, whenever I use that blow dryer, my hair still gets so frizzy. Now that I got this thing plugged in, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. So there is a cool, a low, and a high setting. What I'm gonna do is section my hair off the same way that I typically would if I was blow drying it. I don't have a ton of hair, so I typically just do a couple sections starting at the bottom and working my way toward the top. So I'm just gonna take this smaller section of hair and I'm gonna start on the low setting because even though my hair is naturally curly and frizzy, my hair strands are actually pretty thin and pretty fine. Guys, I can't believe this is my hair right now. I have never, ever been able to blow dry my hair with a round brush and make it look this smooth, and even like the ends are curled in a little bit. Guys, I'm so excited right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going. Guys, I am so blown away right now. This is unreal for my hair. This is... I'm so speechless. So I just went ahead and grabbed some smoothing cream. This is After Party from Bedhead, which is my favorite like anti-frizz smoothing cream. You just run it through your dry hair. This I think adds so much shine and really helps with frizz. So anytime that I straighten or curl my hair, I pretty much always finish up with this smoothing cream. I would say this took a total of about like 15 minutes to do, which is nothing when it comes to styling my hair. Typically it takes about a half hour to blow dry it, a half hour to curl it, so this is just so amazing. It looks like I just got my hair done. Guys, I can't believe that it just did this to my hair. Now that I'm done using it, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys just my overall opinion. So if you can't tell, I am obsessed with it. I'm so blown away by the way that my hair looks right now. It is so hard to style sometimes, and I'm so blown away. This gave my $200 Drybar hair dryer a run for its money, 100%. So if you guys want me to keep using it for a little bit, maybe try some different methods or techniques or settings or whatnot, and then do more of an in-depth review after I've used it for a little while, definitely let me know. I bought mine at Ulta just because I work there, but I'm sure that you can buy it at other drugstores, so I will link it in the description box for you guys to go ahead and try. I did most of this on the low setting, which is awesome because it's not super damaging. Let me know what you guys think if you have tried it, and if you want me to do more of an in-depth review after I've used it a little bit longer, but as of now, I'm so obsessed with it and I definitely recommend it to you guys. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to stick around, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys can get your hands on this to try it out, and I will just go ahead and talk to you in my next video. Bye!